Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you control the domain and have an active Cloudflare account. Once confirmed, add your site and pick a plan that fits traffic needs. The free plan covers basic caching. Then Cloudflare scans DNS, review records now, and correct any mismatches, because incorrect /a or CNAME entries break routing. After that, copy the two authoritative name servers Cloudflare gives you and update your registrar. Make sure propagation completes before moving on. This connects your domain to Cloudflare's edge network. Once DNS points to Cloudflare, toggle the orange cloud proxy on records you want accelerated and protected. This routes traffic through the CDN. Next, configure SSL, choose Full Strict, and install a Cloudflare Origin certificate on your server to ensure end-to-end encryption. Then set caching behavior. Use cache everything cautiously and bypass sensitive paths like /admin. Also create page rules for critical assets with edge TTLs and enable Brotli compression for smaller payloads. These steps you finish by optimizing and validating delivery. Set appropriate edge cache TTLs, enable HTTP/2 or HTTP/3, and turn on auto minify for CSS/JS/HTML to reduce size. Then test from several locations and inspect response headers. CF cache status shows whether assets are cached. Once done, purge cache when deploying updates or use development mode for active changes. If something fails, toggle the proxy off, recheck DNS entries, ensure Origin SSL is valid, and review Cloudflare firewall and page rules. That typically resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.